Okay, we have a pretty interesting simultaneous equations word problem whereby you have to come up with your own equations based on the word statements here. Let's read. Andy has X sweets and Bill has Y sweets. If Andy gives 3 sweets to Bill, they will have an equal number of sweets. If they divide the total number of sweets they have equally between themselves, meaning divide by 2, each of them will receive 20 sweets. Part A. Form and simplify 2 equations connecting X and Y. Solve the simultaneous linear equation to find the number of sweets each of them has. So from the first if here, if Andy gives 3 sweets to Bill, right, they will have an equal number of sweets. So if Andy gives 3, Andy will have X minus 3 sweets, right? Because you take away 3, and this will be equal. They will have an equal amount of sweets. This will be then equal to Bill's sweets. Now Bill's sweets will then become Y plus 3, right? Because Bill will receive the 3 sweets from Andy. So this is the very first equation you can come up with. In fact, you can bring all the algebras to one side. 3 plus 3, X minus Y is equals to 6. Okay, so this is the first equation that we can come up with. Number 1. Now, for the second equation, it depends on that second if statement. If they divide the total number of sweets equally between themselves, each of them will receive 20. Which means, if I take X and I add Y, basically I add the total and I divide it by the 2 of them, I'll get 20 sweets each. Okay, so this is the second equation that we can work with. Now, the 2 times to 20, and you're going to get X plus Y equals to 40. This is our second equation. Now, my friends, we have 2 equations and we can now solve that simultaneous equation in part B. Now, for part B, let's rewrite those equations. So, X minus Y equals to 6. First equation is there. X plus Y equals to 40. This is the second equation. And we can very clearly see that negative Y and plus Y is there. We can eliminate Y immediately. Equation 1 plus equation 2. X minus Y plus X plus Y, and that will be 60 plus 40. So negative Y plus Y is gone. 2X is equals to 46. X 46 divided by 2X is just 23. Okay, so that is the number of sweets that Andy has. So Andy is done. Okay, now to find Bill's sweets, we need to find Y. So how do we do that? We can sub X into any equation. We can sub it into equation 2 or 1 even. So we have X plus Y equals to 40, right? That is equation 2. And 23 plus Y equals to 40. Y is nothing but 40 minus 23. Oops, daisy. So Y is just equals to 17. Now this is Bill's sweets. Okay, we have Andy's sweets, we have Bill's sweets. Therefore, X is equals to, or rather, Andy has 23 sweets and Bill has 17 sweets. This is the final answer for this question.